Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with Julia here. On the back of the box it has some information on caring for your hair and stuff like that, so that's cool. Open the box, I see the wig, and it's a regular wig. It's a lace front wig that we have today. They sent me a scarf and they sent 2 wig caps. So I know this has Julia here written on it. And this is the hair, which is a gorgeous color. This reminds me of my most recent headband, one of my most recent headband wigs. It was the very same color, but today we have this basically in the lace front format. So it's some Brazilian hair, and I believe this is 22 inches long. You can check the description box for the specifics of this hair and stuff. Let's go ahead and check it out. Forgive me, guys, this is a lace closure wig. I don't know, I forgot for a minute. It's actually a lace closure wig. It's a silk base lace closure wig. So I'm going to put all the specifics down below so you guys can check that out. But this is how it looks. You know, the cap construction, pretty standard. Has combs in there, 3 combs, adjustable straps, and you can see it's really nicely done. Also, as you can see, this is some nice straight hair. It's very silky, and of course, guys, I'm gonna go in and straighten it more, but it's really nice, really silky, and it looks really good. So I can't wait to go ahead and apply this.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shaker. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get feelings, cause shorty, I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
To lay down the front. I use some of my got to be to lay down the front of the wig, and now I want to go ahead and I'm gonna just get it bone straight. I'm gonna make it lay really flat, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this out today. You guys know I'm doing Vlogmas. Vlogmas is currently going on my main channel, so Vlogmas is currently going on my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, so you don't want to miss that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this out today for Vlogmas episode 6. The time is going by so fast.
They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. lady.
So I'm all done with this. It's so gorgeous. It's definitely longer than the headband wig that I had. That had the same color, but this is so nice. This is just, as I said, like the lace closure format of that. I didn't do any baby ears at the front at all. Just to let me just rock it like that. It's just silky. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that. Julia here definitely did that for me. As I said, I'm going to put all the specifications down below so you guys can check this hair out. If you're interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and check out my description box and get it. You know, it's really gorgeous. If you want to dabble into a bit of color but not be too bold at the same time, this is the wig for you. It is just stunning. Beautiful color. Love it. Love it. Every single time I get a color like this, I get so excited. It's so nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope it was informative. Hope you liked it. I hope you liked the wig as much as I do. Like, it's really nice. Really, really nice. So shout out to Julia here for that. Also, if I have any discount codes, anything like that, it will be in my description box. Always be sure to check my description box for any deals, all the specific information, and everything like that. Also, as I said before, don't forget to go ahead and check out Vlogmas. I'm heading on the road right now, and that's just the vibe. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You want to stay tuned because I have some hauls coming up. You know, I have some unboxings coming up, like birthday stuff, and yeah. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to be up on a nice clean self.